wala pa kabot.
Of Attorney Roel Bondi Superior, ang ipatindog na gida is building na gid mismo. So hindi lang poon nga room na i-provide sang school kag ang province mahatag sang money or check para sa equipment, but ipatindugan na gid na sang building. Not only sa government nga mga offices, no, but also sa mga private sectors nga kung sa diin
to the supportive members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, our distinguished guests, my mercantile law professor, and the classmate of our governor, Attorney Aida Indunila. She is the Dean of the College of Law of Central Philippine University. Together with her is our Assistant Dean Garcia, the man at the head of the Department of Education, Division of Iloilo, Dr. Ernie Cervellon. Together with him is Dr. an expert in agrarian law, of course, my agrarian law professor and my legal writing professor, my mentor, Attorney Mel Penatrante, the newly elected president in the national government in our population and development programs, Director Ham Marshall. He is the Regional Director of the Commission on Population and Development Region 6. To the Bulig Eskwela sang Probinsya, or the Best Province Program of our good governor, the Alalayi, Pag-ubay Legal sa Kabataan Program. Alalayi is coined from the term alalay, which means to guide, and layi, which means law or the rule of order. Literally, alalay means providing guidance to our students, to our learners, on the provisions of law, on the insights on jurisprudence, and in promoting and advancing the adolescent health and youth development program in the province of Iloilo. Through this alalay program, we aim to holistically develop our young people, not only as healthy and productive individuals, but as empowered and knowledgeable adults. By focusing in their development and empowerment, we invest in a future society where young people can become more active, responsible, participative, and reliable partners in the development and progress, as well as our partners in nation building. Through this program, we aim to contribute in establishing an informed and educated Ilonggo community who are well aware of not just of their rights, but also of their duties and responsibilities as citizens of this country. Together, let us work hand in hand towards the achievement of our goals for adolescent health and youth.
Iloilo Fasilidad sa Kabataan is the school-based renewable school center project of the Iloilo Provincial Government through the Provincial Population Office. It is an innovative strategy geared at all aimed to aid and nurture responsible development. Taking off in 2011 with only 5 recipients, project expanded through the years. This overwhelming development can be attributed to various stakeholders who work hand in hand to establish and sustain the Inland project. Salient to this success
May 11, may 13.
Students, good morning. On behalf of Central Philippine University College of Law, I am honored to stand before you to share the context and rationale behind this meaningful gathering. Today, we officially embark on a
partnership between how among the ilang side, ilang buwag. So from the DepEd, from the CPU, and from the Iloilo Provincial Government.
States Christian High School. And the president of the Integrated Bar of the Philippines, Attorney Mel Penetrante, with the family headed by Dr. Erwin Sevillon, the Commission on Population, we have our Regional Director, Harold Marshall, and our department. We have a reference system to choose the human resources that the government and the economy needs. That's what we want to do. So that our graduates will have job opportunities in the classroom. And our government and our economy will have the human resources. And the NRA program is really a very big part in strengthening the secondary school as an institution being part of our educational system. And also, by the way, and every population will participate intelligently in our processes. That's what we want to do. That's what we want to do. That's what we're seeing when we want to say that. More than the guidance, we're trying to build the institutions. And it's very fundamental, the very fundamental stage of the secondary and the secondary. So that's what we're doing right now. This is a very fundamental and big step in education. So again, the legal community will and the rest of the
happy that you reconnected with your alma mater, Attorney Ruel Von Superio. To our partners from the Department of Education, Director Ernie Servillon and Dr. Gilbert Solidon.
To the prime mover of the Teen Center program and became my very good friend because we often rub elbows with each other. We have our Provincial Population Officer, Attorney Ruel Von Superio. But of course, allow me to recognize the presence of our invited partners who will join.
Coming from Central Philippine University, from University of San Agustin, ang ako ng mga amigo man sa Department of Education, si Doc Ernie, si Doc Gil.
Team Avance is extending its hands to you. Dr. Ernie Servillon, Dr. Helbert Solidom of the DepEd, you will be seeing me more in these coming days. My good friends, Dean I. Indonida and Assistant Dean Lee Garcia of Central Philippine University.
More progress, Iloilo, and a line for you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, thank you. Next!
Waki! 1, 2, 3. More progress, Iloilo.
posting your names ha. Sa form nga nila kasi post naman hindi. This is very confidential. Ang amo na di si gather na mo na data based sa inyong mga answers. Okay, so you write your name, your date of birth, your age, your address. Sa sex, you check lang whether you're a male or female. Okay, pwede kita kasabat na while I am talking here in front. Your civil status, you can put single. Kung galibin ikaw, meron di galibin. Hopefully, wala. Or kasado, separated, anak, or widowed. Wala pa man duro. Okay, i-check lang natin ha. Okay, and then for school attending status, if you are an in-school youth, you can check the parenthesis, and then you put your grade level. Pressure to early sexual activity, family problem, your mental health, violence or akausi naton, medical or dental, spiritual emptiness or financial. Or, if may ara ka mga na-encounter na wala still na state, you can put it clear lang sa gitna. You check others and then you specify kung ano na siya ang experience yung problem na wala sa other choices. Okay? Next.
Uma-attend ka mo. So meaning, daw hindi ka nag-volunteer? No. Pero hindi sila lang. Because sometimes, ang mga teachers gina-require ang students to learn something else. Sa psychology, tinatawag na namon nga functional autonomy based sa theory and output. Sometimes, sa eskwelahan, gina-require kita mag-do something. Diba? Pero yung subong, require ka mo makatudi. Pero, okay, anong pag-it? Bayanihan na nabugigay, anong pag-it? Anong pag-it? Anong pag-it? Ang observe niyo? Do you think kung duwa o kung tatlo lang katawo, makaya nila? Hindi nga how? Kaya kung at-it, pero bisan bukat kung damo, makaya. So, in other words, we usually associate this picture with bayanihan because
equate nun siya sa word na free. Free labor, free action, where na kadu ka something pero wala anything in return.
So, in voluntary reserve, you do something. Usually, it is for... Ini siya sa pahana siya, ang sa lower picture. So, usually, ano ba di ang mga salita, there is more joy in giving than in receiving. Pero,
Some people believe that every microstep will make a macro.
okay. So, because of the urge to help our resources, sa dito mayo. By the way, may tawag diyan nga mayo sa mga magplano. Pero kaysa kaplano hindi mayo sa pag-execute. Okay. Gamay kilala ka mga mo sina.
Because damo ka mo sa natunan. Okay, pero pakita ni Juan si So, we will be giving our certificate, our tokens man, production. Would like to request si Peter Ruth, our Provincial Teen Center Coordinator, para maghatag sa ating certificate at sa ating token. So, I will read you the content of our certificate. So, the certificate of appreciation is hereby conferred to Dr. Sheila Marcela Padilla Villanueva for sharing her invaluable time and expertise as a resource person during the Alalay Program and Project Katuwang Symposium, Empowering Minds and Justice, Navigating Law, Legal Rights, and Mental Health, held on April 8, 2025 at Iloilo National High School, La Paz, Iloilo City. Given this 8th day of April 2025 during the 124th Semana Sang Iloilo celebration at Iloilo City, Philippines. Signed, Attorney Ruel Bondi Superio, Provincial Population Officer. Signed, Arthur R. Davidson Jr., our Governor. And would like to request as well our District Supervisor from the 2nd District of the Province of Iloilo, Mrs. Maria Alice Pinachante, together with move to our information center to organization. Okay, so before kita mag-end, can we have two? One from the male and one from the female for a reaction or feedback about what we have discussed today. Oh, I will use the word volunteers lang. Wala pinitay, ang gusto lang. Okay.
Para makapulit na tayo.
Yes. Hindi pwedeng volonturo, kundi volunteer. Okay. Sino pwede? Coming from one from the female and one from the male. Yes, sir. In any language. Basta hindi na Korean, Japanese. Kaya mas matugong ang mga notes. Pwede hindi ganyan, pwede Tagalog, pwede English. Okay. The name is si Josh. Okay, Josh.
As a student po who does community service, ang sininga po, it helps me na kung ano, pag ginamit mo o pag-i-insure ko sa self po in order to serve the community na makapot para po sa smile on their faces and also na without expecting something in return. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Josh. Di ba, one of the best feelings na mag-feel sa isang katao is may isa katao na happy because of him or her, di ba la? Okay, sige. One from the female. Volunteer. Sige, gusto mo, isip mo mga kababainhan na to. Okay. Sige, SSLG. Okay, sige. Dali ka, what's your name? Sige, what's your name?
I'm Ermel Julian Solita.
Ermel.
So for me, actually, the biggest give na, let's say, lesson I learned from the talk is the simple idea of what is volunteerism really is. Kaya realize ko man, the number one person in my life na that really is a volunteer, let's say that, is actually my parents. Kundi yung discover lang sila, ka-acton sila, wala sila bayad. So, doon appreciate ko man kung di mga people wala naradala doing volunteer work even though wala kitaya ka donation drive, wala kitaya ka first still they're in your life doing something without you anything so.
Pagambali ang pinaka-grabe, yun na nakita, yung nag-do some volunteer work is ang parents. Coming from siyempre, mga parents ko tayo, no, na gabanalibog ang ating balahibo. Okay, thank you, Ermel. Ermel na. Okay, sige. May ara sa mga kababaihan. Girls, mapaperde ba lang mga kababaihan? Then na ginatawag mo, girl power. Volunteer, hindi voluturo. Ang gusto. May ara? Sige na, para mapuli ka mo tayo. Anything na gusto nyo ihakbal about sa learning nyo today, about sa anong topic, or sa ating speaker.
Sa STBF grade 10 din.
STBF grade 10? Pakita ko tayo si Vic. Wala na si Vic.
Sa 9 siya.
Okay.
Sino?
Sino? Girls?
Wala yung bumabay na learn naman.
Oh, wala ka mo may na-learn. Sa mga kababain mo na doon. Okay, we are talking about volunteerism. Okay. Volunteer. Huwag na naman ibot. Kapila na mga beses, ibot doon ang volunteer. Sige na anything you want to say in any, hindi lang kung any language. Pwede ligay non, pwede Tagalog, pwede English. Karay, pwede man. Kaya sindigin kami. Sige na. Do you want to go home? Do you want to stay here forever? Hindi yung pagtago-tago ako, ano man ang ginabatsyag ninyo. Kung yung ginatago-tago, yung ginabatsyag niyo, tendency is marupok na siya. Remember what? Yeah, okay. Sige, okay, last please come here in front.
I realized from the power of
of volunteerism na ang baka din ni Rance, how can a simple act can contribute to a bigger impact in our society and how it can help others without us even knowing it. Para sa aton, simple lang siya, but for them, it's something that could really change the course of their life.
We save the best for last. Okay, so thank you so much for staying and for listening sa ating na topic for today. And thank you so much, Dupshe, and I know tanan ka naman ang kuha sa ating na topic na discuss this afternoon. And to those na nag-fill out sa ating evaluation form, can you please submit that kay Manang Iris, kay Manang Ruru? Okay? Sige, no more